Hey, today, we'll explain how to use a multimeter to test the output voltage of the 0.8 volt LDO chip on a hashboard. The black test lead is the negative pole, and the red test lead is the positive pole. Turn on the power supply. Press the output key. Turn the multimeter to DC voltage. Attach the black alligator clip to the negative pole of the hashboard, the red alligator clip to the positive pole of the hashboard. Start the test. The test results show that the chip is fine.
Nice.